Greetings to all beauty enthusiasts out there. Ever wondered if the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation lives up to its hype? Today we're going to find out. This foundation has been making waves across social media, and it's about time we put it under the microscope. Is it just a fleeting trend, or does it truly stand tall among the giants of the beauty world? This is not just another product review. Our mission today is to delve into the heart of Fenty Beauty's Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, to explore its claims and promises, and to test its performance under various conditions. We're going to apply it, wear it, scrutinize it, and in the end, we'll find out if it's worth your hard-earned money. So buckle up as we dive deep into the world of Fenty Beauty. First, we will examine what this foundation promises and its packaging. Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation claims to provide a soft matte finish. Imagine a smooth, even texture that doesn't dry out your skin. It promises full coverage that lasts up to 16 hours. That's a full day of looking flawless, from your morning coffee to your evening wind down. Now, let's talk about the packaging. With a sleek bottle design that features a pump dispenser, it's not only aesthetically pleasing, but also sanitary and easy to use. No more messy foundation spills or dirty fingers. What's more, this foundation caters to a broad spectrum of skin tones. With 50 available shades, it celebrates diversity and ensures that everyone can find their perfect match. These claims sure sound promising. Now let's move on to the application. Now we put the product to the test. The application process for the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation is straightforward. The pump dispenser on the bottle is a welcome feature that makes applying the foundation both easy and hygienic. You only need a small amount of this product to cover your entire face. One pump dispenses just the right amount for a full face application. The shade I'm using today is 330, a medium to deep shade with warm undertones. To blend the foundation, I'm using a damp beauty blender. This tool is a great choice for this particular foundation as it helps to achieve a smooth, even finish. As I begin to blend the foundation into my skin, I notice that it feels incredibly lightweight. Despite the full coverage it provides, it doesn't feel heavy or mask-like. The foundation blends seamlessly into my skin, effectively evening out my skin tone and covering any blemishes or imperfections. The coverage is indeed full, as Fenty Beauty claims. It's impressive how such a small amount of product can provide such significant coverage. As for the feel on the skin, it's pleasantly surprising. The soft matte finish doesn't feel dry or tight, as some matte foundations tend to do. Instead, it feels comfortable and breathable, as if I'm not wearing any foundation at all. Initial impressions? Well, I'm impressed. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation seems to live up to its claims of providing a soft matte finish and full coverage that feels lightweight on the skin. But the real test of a foundation is not how it looks in the mirror immediately after application. It's how it looks in natural light and how it holds up throughout the day. So let's step into the light and see how this foundation truly performs. It seems to live up to its claims so far. Let's see how it holds up in natural light. Now, we move on to different wear tests. The real test of a good foundation is how well it holds up throughout the day. So, we've planned a series of activities to truly put this Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation to the test. We'll be checking in at different points during the day to see how the foundation is holding up. First up, we're going to do a flash photography test. Now, why is this important? Well, in today's selfie-obsessed culture, we all want a foundation that looks just as good in pictures as it does in person. We don't want any unexpected white cast or flashback ruining our perfect selfie, do we? Next, we're going to conduct a few longevity tests. We want to see how this foundation holds up through a typical day. We'll be doing a bit of everything. Eating, working out, and even wearing a face mask. A lot of us still need to wear masks when we go out, and we all know how that can affect our makeup. Now let's talk about the state of the foundation after wearing a face mask. We've had the mask on for about an hour while running some errands, and guess what? The foundation has stayed put. It's maintained its coverage and hasn't rubbed off on the mask, and when we remove the mask, our skin still looks fresh. The finish hasn't gotten cakey or separated. You might think that's a small win, but it's actually quite a big deal. How many times have you removed your mask only to find half your makeup has transferred onto it? Well, with this foundation, that's one less thing to worry about. From the results so far, this foundation seems to live up to its claims of being long-wearing. It has managed to withstand the mass test and has stayed intact even after a few hours of wear. But the day is still young and we have more tests to conduct. Looks like it's holding up well so far. Let's see how it fares further into the day. We're back with more wear test results. After a full workday, a satisfying lunch, and a refreshing workout, it's time to inspect the state of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. So, what's the verdict? Well, let's delve into it. The first big test of the day was lunch, and yes, it was as delicious as you're imagining. But the real question is, did the foundation survive the meal? Surprisingly, it did. The coverage remained intact, and the foundation didn't budge, even around the mouth area where it often tends to fade. Then came the workout. Sweating is a part of any good exercise routine, and it's also a great test for foundation longevity. After a light workout session, the foundation was still holding up strong. No noticeable fading, no streaks, no patchiness. It endured the sweat test with flying colors. The foundation also survived the full workday, maintaining its coverage and finish. It didn't settle into fine lines or pores, which is a common problem with many long-wearing foundations. It still felt lightweight and comfortable on the skin, even after a full day of wear. The finish has stayed true to its claims, providing a soft matte look that doesn't look flat or dry. It still looks skin-like and natural, just with a smoother and more even appearance. Now let's talk about the longevity. It's been over 8 hours since the initial application, and the foundation is still going strong. It's maintained its coverage, it hasn't oxidized or changed color, and it still looks fresh. So what's the final say on the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation? It's a thumbs up from me. It's held up incredibly well throughout the day, proving its long-wear abilities. The coverage is still there, the finish is still beautiful, and it's worn comfortably all day long. I'm really impressed with the long-wear abilities so far, but let's see how it fares at the end of the day. After a long day, here's what I think. With over 12 hours of wear, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation has stood up to the test. There's a slight fade, but it's minimal and the coverage remains impressive. My skin doesn't look tired or dull, which is a testament to the product's longevity. The coverage is one of the standout features of this foundation. It's full, but it doesn't feel heavy or cakey. It's as if you're not wearing anything at all, yet your skin looks airbrushed and flawless. It's a delicate balance that's hard to strike, but Fenty Beauty seems to have nailed it with this product. The longevity is another facet that's worth mentioning. From the morning rush to the evening wind down, this foundation stays put. It's resistant to sweat, face masks, and the general wear and tear of a typical day. The claim of 16 hours of wear doesn't seem far-fetched, given my experience. The shade range is commendable, with 50 shades catering to a wide range of skin tones. It's a nod towards inclusivity, which is often overlooked in the beauty industry. Everyone deserves to find their perfect match, and with this product, the odds are in your favor. Overall, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation has left a positive impression. It's a thoughtfully designed product that delivers on its promises. The soft matte finish, the long-wearing formula, the full coverage, and the wide shade range all combine to create a foundation that can easily become a staple in anyone's beauty routine. In conclusion, I'm a huge fan of this product. It's exceeded my expectations and has quickly climbed the ranks to become one of my favorite foundations. It's a testament to the quality products Fenty Beauty produces, and it's certainly worth trying if you're in the market for a new foundation. So the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation gets a big thumbs up from me. It truly is a gem in the beauty world. Until next time, stay beautiful.